Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle Skate.
You recorded that picture? How much want you? What?
This video is sponsored by Dubby Energy, www.dubby.gg. You got all your packages. It's made with real natural vitamins, so it ain't no jittering, ain't no migraine. It's not bad for your heart. It's a natural supplement. You can go in there and order you a shake bottle. It comes with the little ring in there, and you got www.dubby.gg. Use my promo code WHOROLLIN at checkout to save 10% off your order. It's good. Hey, it is follow. So it's a somewhat of a bubblegum aftertaste. So we gonna let Hash try, Richard Jr. and Nick as well. I mean shit, J3 as well.
I done throw me one back.
Okay. It's fine. Okay. I like it. It's fine.
What to say with it, John?
Like almost like Kool-Aid. Okay. $5. Okay. You got energy? Do you got energy? You got energy? Hey, look, go order your energy supplements now at w.gg and make sure to use WHOROLLIN at checkout to save 10%. Let's go.
I'm not a bad girl. They let mouth want the thickest pussy real good. I'm in something shell wood. She always pretty good. Smash in my car and all on the hood. And Kayla got the best skin. And that's on my hood. What a fucking bad shit.
Freakin weekend 2023. Get it with it. It's water. Bro, let me open the video. Devin opened all of them. Let me open the video.
Okay, where we at right now, Big C? Where we
It's
at?
Freakin weekend 2023.
Okay.
Be here or hear about it.
Where we at right now?
Dude, we had a meet. We had a pop-up meet.
Okay.
Hey, we had Splash.
Splash pad.
Show me out. Whoa. That's the gay club in Baton Rouge.
What we drinking on, sir? This video is sponsored by Twisted No. Twisted fucking Tea. Y'all see?
Hey, give me that fucking camera. Fuck his Twisted Tea sponsorship. Michelob Ultra. Michelob fucking top.
Give it on. Fuck Michelob. Fuck Michelob.
what I want to say. One, big EI shit. Look at it. Y'all know what it is.
Where we at with the gangster? Damn! Hey, try this time. Let me try this time.
Good dick and that nigga gotta have bread. I'ma go in, nigga, I'ma go fan. Beat me over, show me what you working with. You know this pussy good, you know this pussy got.
Come on.
We fuck all over, we be all in.
We out here. Hey, yeah, Trump. We out here.
Bitch, man, stop playing with us, man.
We fuck all day, we be fucking fuck. If you got that good pussy, let me scream, bitch. Good pussy,
What I fucking with them hoes, bitch.
What up, man? They got me vlogging.
Boy, Muhammad shit clean, boy. Boy, Muhammad shit clean. Hey, we out here, we drunk as fuck. We steady fucking drinking. We steady fucking drinking, we out here. Oh my mama, I said the same shit at the show today. It's my first time seeing him in person. We outside. Gustavo, Gizzle, EI on top. EI gonna stay on top.
Put me in EI. I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere.
If you wanna be an honorary EI member, I can try to pull some strings and
pull
talk.
some strings,
and
put me in some
talk
group chats.
and see.
Alright.
And see.
Look, that's all I need.
You know what I'm saying?
Get some motherfucking gunfights, I don't bring no name. And understand how talking all that shit and now your casket front the pulpit. Pussy nigga, go back inside. Again, catch a pussy nigga, we gon' slang guy. Yeah, I bet that make a nigga go back inside. The bullshit. Now that nigga mad because I'm raw, they know they bullshit. Make me drop a bag and send them shoulders with the boom. I've been laying back like a ball, just get my dick sucked, watch a movie. He come inside that water, he can smell what made him do it. Go kick, but it won't hurt. Turn this bitch sideways. Never miss some homework. In this truck under the bed like a monster. You're not a trap star today.
Okay.
I don't want to pull it with the thought I'm trying to
Hit that bitch. Hit that bitch. You hit it. Come on.
I made a movie with a all-star. She said I cloned her. She got Stussy on debits. Basic and it's won't work. Every slug like a rapper and a class of poker. I said yes and it said her you a smoker. It's cause I'm the buck and I asked her what the dick.
Gustavo. I gotta drive back. No, I gotta drive back. Jizzle. We getting Jizzle right now.
Hummer bitch. Chopper with a star.
No. I don't want none of
you want no action.
Where Mel at? Where Mel at? Where Mel?
No.
Where Mel at? Let's go find Mel. There is right there. We got Mel and Mikey over here. We're finna take a motherfucking shot for the Jizzle's YouTube channel. You ready?
Shit, no, I ain't taking
Come on.
Let her take the shot.
Mel?
She want to take a shot. She wants to.
Please hit a shot. Hit a shot. Come on. Yeah, absolutely. Nah, that shit nasty.
Come on, Mike. Come on.
Give it to me.
That big ass truck, you ain't gonna hit a shot?
Hey, pretend I tapped it. Yeah.
I'm out here. And I'm out here. This nigga.
Hey, hit the bottle. Hit the bottle then.
What's up, gangster?
What's up, brother?
What you gonna do? You wanna hit it or what? Mr. Richardson. Hey, that's so long. Mom, boy.
Damn.
Hey, what you say about that exhaust?
Yeah. That shit crazy right there.